Hey guys, it's your girl Viva La K, the CEO of Viva La K Luxury Hair Co, of course, and I'm going to be showing you all a mini tutorial on how to apply your bottom lashes. Okay, so I know a few are missing. That's because I had already opened this pack up and used them previously. Okay, so right here I'm just dipping each individual lash into the glue. Then you're going to place it right above your bottom lash, like right above it. I only like to do 5 of them going across, not too many. I like it to look a little natural, not too bulky. When applying each individual lash, please take your time because you do not want that glue to get in your eye. It burns. So right here, I'm just placing it where I want it to be placed at. I don't make them too close together because I want it to be spread evenly across. And by the way guys, I got my eyelash glue and eyelashes from the beauty supply store. And the tweezers, you can get those from the beauty supply store as well, but I got mine from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now y'all see why I don't place them so close together, because I still want it to look natural, not too bulky, not too many of them. But now it's time to start on the other eye. And I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps that I did on the first eye. I only paid about $8 in total for the bottom individual eyelashes and the glue. However, the lashes that I'm wearing are from VivaLaKLuxuryHairCo.com and the style is Minglang. Believe it or not, I saved at least $100 from doing my lashes on my own. And I was highly satisfied with my results. I recommend you doing this. And they're so easy to remove. It doesn't take much to remove these lashes. And here's the final outcome. Let me know what y'all think.